Let's create one more tutorial in NX Siemens. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the Extrude and the Face Blend. So open the NX and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this line, this arc, and this line here. This line has 20 millimeters, the radius 20 millimeters, and the distance between this line and the midpoint 75 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to sketch, select the right plane, and select the line. Click here on the midpoint. Make a line here. It is for about 75 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 75 millimeters. And we have a fillet here with 20 millimeters of radius. And this line here has 20 millimeters of length. And now we will create this arc with 20 millimeters. And this arc here with 10 millimeters. And this line here with 25 millimeters. So select the arc, click here on this point, make an arc here. And create another arc here. And create a line here. And this arc here has 20 millimeters of radius. And this one has 10 millimeters of radius. And this line here has 25 millimeters of length. And now the thickness of this body is 10 millimeters. So we'll use the offset to create this inside edge here. So go to offset, the curves, select this line here, the distance 10 millimeters and press OK. Let me move this dimension, select the line to close this profile here. We made this profile. And now finish the sketch. We need to extrude this. So go to extrude. And the distance here is 30 millimeters. So the start, select symmetric and the distance 30 millimeters and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this full round fillet in the both edges here. So go to Face Blend, the face 1, the face 2, select this one, and the center face, and apply. And now the face 1, the face 2, and the center face, and press OK. We made this one. And now to finish this exercise, we need to create this hole here with 15 millimeters of diameter, and it is concentric with this arc. So go to sketch and select this face here. And here select a circle. Make a circle here in this point. It is the center of this arc. The radius, the diameter here 15 millimeters. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude. And the operation here, select subtract. And the value here, select it through all. And press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.